Hello guys, it's me Matt again. So my baby's still just silly. Okay, I hope you like, share, subscribe, comment, and you join the channel. Okay, let's get in. Okay, so I got call guitar. Now my only goal is to get CDK, but it's too hard. I can't get Tushita. Okay, there's the boss. There's the boss. Let's go. Okay. Jump. And I got the title. It's called The Rich. You know how to get that? You need 5 billion dollars. Oh, dang it. Yeah, I forgot this invisible rebellion. Wait, how about crystal invisible rebellion? Okay, let's just focus. Let's just focus. Beating up some girls. Yeah, beating up a girl. That's how to get. Yeah. That's the one to say. There, Filipino. Okay, you know how to speak Tagalog? Hindi ako mag-speak, pero ito na. Okay, that's why Tagalog. I could speak every Tagalog. Okay. Okay. Wait, I didn't mean to press. Okay, let's do this. Okay. I think that was slow. Oh yeah, I forgot. There's an invisible there. Okay. I will stop until I get 250 at school guitar. Oh shoot! My family's watching scary movies. Oh no! My baby is crying. Let's just. I love collecting up chest. Oh, he's there. I know somebody will not help me. Okay, let's just do the quest. Okay, you guys wait. Okay, guys, I'm back. Let's go. My baby's crying. I don't know why. No, I can finally do this. Tita is angry at her baby. I don't know if she's angry or not. Just need to start up. Sorry, I didn't expect that. Because I was thinking I will get Dragonfly, but I don't want to spend my money. Oh shit. And I'm dead. Okay, already.
Ayaw na nagpababa. Iwanan pa na gusto niya.
Yeah, my baby's crying because he's sick. I don't know. Bruh! I didn't blow! I was thinking. Oh, what did I do? That's that. You know what? Oh, just use this thing. What was? Okay. My baby. My baby is so funny.
Bella! Bella! Malakas po siyang magtubig ng kasi.
Oh my god. I don't want to see that.
Lalo na dulo kung pagkahinalagyan mo ng ano.
Ay!
Okay. The baby's crying. Maybe he don't want to go down. Oh my god. Oh my. I don't want to see that. That's too scary. Ouch. I don't like. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, guys, I'm getting heebie-jeebies. I wish they didn't watch it. It makes me a heebie-jeebies.
Ayaw mo nang nakaupo. Ayaw mo nang nakaupo.
I'm gonna use creation. Okay, guys. Maybe when I have Sorry.
Natakot si Mati. Sumunsid yun.
Sorry guys. I just got scared. Okay, that's my last boss. Okay. Okay guys, I hope you like, subscribe, share, and comment. And I will see you in the next video.